約埋老 best 睇 Mission Impossible. It means watch Mission Impossible with your besties.
Good.
約埋。
Okay, you help me.
約埋。
You're my.
老 best.
You're my low best.
睇
Thai.
Mission Impossible.
You're my low best Thai. Give it to me again.
約埋老 best 睇
You're
Mission.
my low best Thai. Mission Impossible.
You nailed it.
How was it? Did I nail it?
Fantastic.
Okay, great teacher.
Yeah.
Great
Thank you
teacher.
so
I
much.
want
Thank you so
to be a
much.
good student.
跟住我係1月22號出院嘅，咁出咗院之後，其實個人咧體力已經係好弱㗎啦，肺炎就好翻啦，咁醫生就話你乖乖地啦，嗱你唔好成日周街哨啦，唔好好似汪曼玲咁啊，咁都拖我落水嘅。我要向你學習，因為阿汪咧係好緊張，但係佢又好第一時間佢就會去即係。take care 佢自己，好照顧佢自己嘅呢一樣，我要向你學。龍剛導演咧都係我好仰慕嘅一個名導演啦，係，即係佢每一次佢嘅劇本又好。港島28係啦，我就係想講港島28，你真係你睇到我嘅心裏邊。咁佢哋點解會諗到我咧？係咯。咁我都好奇怪㗎，因為呢楊耀海導演佢好似你咁。你哋真係做足晒功課，阿楊導演將我嗰啲戲全部抄翻出嚟睇，睇咗之後佢覺得我都啱佢嗰個戲裏邊個角色。
跟住喺度默默地忍眼淚咯。
Anyway， 我哋唔好劇透太多啦，因為要講得太多咧，可能觀眾咧就已經知道晒太多啦。咁所以咧喺度要再一次多謝咧兩位主角們咁精湛嘅演出啦，多謝導演阿 Ray 係為我哋又拍出咁感動嘅電影，亦都係好有意義嘅電影。咁啊，留翻大家入場睇《從今以後》啦。
我可唔可以講多一句啊？我好想睇仔仔嘅第2輯噃。
就嚟拍完啦，就嚟拍完啦，係啦，多謝你，多謝。